Every click you make, every second you scroll, and every website you visit, it's all being watched, measured, and optimized by AI. The internet isn't static anymore. It's alive. Every action you take feeds the algorithm, shaping what you see next. But have you ever wondered who's really in control? You or the machine? The truth is, websites today are built less by humans and more by data. AI tools analyze your behavior, predict your next move, and customize entire layouts in real time. That perfect page that loads instantly shows you exactly what you want, converts you into a buyer. That's not luck. That's intelligence. A few years ago, developers wrote code line by line. Now, AI writes, tests, and fixes code faster than entire teams could dream of. It's not replacing developers. It's amplifying them. Imagine fixing a broken layout in seconds, not hours. Or generating 10 design variations and testing them instantly, all without touching your keyboard. That's what AI-driven web creation looks like. The future of web design won't be about pixels or plugins, it'll be about prompts. You'll describe what you want, and AI will build it. The website you're imagining right now could exist in seconds, and that changes everything. But this power comes with risk. When AI handles everything from data collection to personalization, where does privacy end? The line between helpful and invasive is thinner than ever. Your online habits are now the blueprint for digital marketing. If your website isn't powered by AI, it's already behind. Businesses that ignore automation will disappear, replaced by smarter, faster, data-trained systems that never sleep. The next billion-dollar websites won't be coded. They'll be generated. AI will test every color, every button, and every call to action until perfection is achieved. Humans can't compete with that speed, but they can guide it. You don't need to fear AI. You need to learn how to talk to it, because those who understand prompt engineering today will design the future of the web tomorrow. Imagine launching a full site, optimized, responsive, and tested in under an hour. That's not the future. It's now. You just need the right tools. AI-powered platforms like Sora and Meta AI are rewriting the rulebook. They don't just generate visuals. They understand context, purpose, and engagement. A single prompt can create an entire campaign, video, text, thumbnails, and even captions, all perfectly aligned. This is no longer about creativity alone. It's about creative intelligence, where humans set the vision and AI does the execution. Think about it. Instead of manually designing 5 variations of a landing page, you ask AI to test them, learn, and deliver what converts best. That's no longer fantasy, it's automation. And this is why the next generation of creators will be strategists, not coders. People who know what to ask, not just how to build. The tools are free, the data is endless, and the opportunity is massive. The only barrier is how fast you adapt. Every great shift in technology starts quietly. The internet changed everything once. AI is doing it again, only faster. Soon, websites won't just look smart. They'll be truly intelligent. They'll adapt to users instantly, rewrite themselves based on behavior, and evolve like living systems. Developers will become conductors, orchestrating data, visuals, and logic with a single line. Generate. That's where you need to be, not watching, but building. You don't need fancy hardware or a massive team. Just curiosity, creativity, and courage to use AI as your ally. Because what once took weeks now takes minutes. Every small business, every freelancer, every creator now has the same power that big tech had 5 years ago. This is digital democracy powered by AI. Soon, every website will be self-optimizing and self-healing, fixing itself before you even realize something's wrong. The era of digital self-repair has already begun. Developers won't just fix websites anymore, they'll train them. Every visitor will become a teacher, and every website a fast learner. By the end of this decade, websites will think, adapt, and evolve on their own. They'll live in digital space, breathing through data and learning every second. Those who master AI today will lead the digital revolution tomorrow. Because the tools of the future aren't built, they're trained. The future isn't about code anymore. It's about the bond between creativity and intelligence. When human imagination meets AI precision, innovation explodes. Your website is already becoming intelligent. It's learning patterns, reading behaviors, and adapting. It's just waiting for you to take control and guide it forward. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm push real AI knowledge to more creators. Your click fuels the future of digital innovation. And if you're serious about staying ahead of the AI wave, subscribe right now and tap that bell, because this is where the future is being built. Next week, I'll show you how to automate SEO rankings using AI itself. It'll change how you think about traffic and how the web finds you. I'm Ty here, and this is your first step into the future of AI web engineering. Welcome to a smarter internet built by those who dared to learn. A new era begins, where your website doesn't wait for you to fix it, because AI already did. The future is live, and you're part of it now.